Your job in 2035 will likely look nothing like it does today. And this isn't a distant, abstract prediction. It's a reality unfolding right now, faster than most of us realize. The comfortable routines and established career paths we have come to rely on are dissolving. The ground beneath the world of work is shifting, and the changes are not just about new technology. They are about fundamental alterations to how we organize our lives, our companies, and our economies. The brutal truth is that stability is an illusion. The job you trained for, the one you hold now, might not exist in a decade. This isn't cause for panic, but it is a call for clear-eyed awareness. This isn't a story of doom, but one of urgent adaptation. The future of work isn't something that happens to us. It's something we can actively shape. The barista, the accountant, the truck driver, all share a common fate. Their work is being redefined by systems they cannot see. Only by making these invisible forces visible can we prepare ourselves, our families, and our communities for what is to come. 4 powerful engines are driving this global restructuring of work. The first and most talked about is artificial intelligence. It is evolving into a partner that can assist with complex decision-making, analysis, and even creative generation. It's about software that can draft legal documents, diagnose medical images, and write computer code. The second engine is automation, AI's mechanical cousin. While AI handles cognitive labor, automation continues its march through physical tasks. Self-driving trucks, delivery drones, and automated warehouses are taking over routine physical work at an accelerating pace. A third engine is the rise of a remote-first work culture. The idea that work must happen in a central office has been shattered. This creates a single, global competition for skilled roles, while also supercharging the platform-driven gig economy. Finally, demographic shifts are quietly reshaping the labor landscape. Aging populations are creating immense pressure on the care economy. These 4 forces are not acting in isolation. They are intertwining and amplifying one another's effects, creating a future that is strange, challenging, and full of unexpected opportunities. Some jobs are standing directly in the path of this wave. Roles defined by routine and predictability, whether physical or cognitive, are not just changing, they are vanishing. The role of the long-haul truck driver, a cornerstone of the middle class, is on a clear path to obsolescence as self-driving technology advances. In retail, the friendly cashier is increasingly being replaced by self-checkout kiosks and scan-and-go mobile apps. The loss of these jobs is not just an economic event, it is a cultural one, forcing us to confront a brutal truth about experience. But for every job that vanishes, many more will be transformed. The future for most is not replacement, but collaboration. Their roles will become a hybrid. The drudgery is automated, but the higher-level analysis and strategic thinking remain deeply human. The machine provides the data. The human provides the hands-on skill and problem-solving ability. The most valuable skills will be the ones machines cannot replicate. Empathy, complex communication, ethical judgment, and creative problem-solving. A whole new category of work is emerging. These are the bridge roles, like the AI trainer, who patiently teach machines and refine the data they learn from. Or the prompt engineer, who acts as a translator between human intent and machine execution, guiding AI to produce ideal results. And as technology automates routine work, the value of uniquely human jobs in the care economy will soar. These roles are resistant to automation because they require empathy and trust. So how do we prepare? The future is not something that happens to you. It is something you must actively build. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Start thinking of your career not as a single ladder, but as a diverse portfolio of skills, experiences, and connections. Companies have a profound responsibility. The most forward-thinking will champion continuous reskilling, redesigning work for human-machine partnerships. This time, we can choose to put people at the center of the story. The goal should not be to replace humans, but to augment and empower them. The future of your job is not yet written. It is a story we are all writing together. The work ahead is to build an economy that is intelligent, equitable, and profoundly human.